Hello class 1, how are you? I hope you are fine and keeping well. So this is the 4th class of your chapter 2, the red raincoat. This is the 4th class. We have already completed 3 classes of this chapter, the red raincoat, and this is the 4th class. And in class 3, that means in part 3, I have given you some homework, and the homework was fill in the blanks and say what happens each day of the week. Means according to the chapter, the red raincoat, it was given in book A4 exercise that you have to rewrite in the notebook. I hope you must have done the homework. Now I am proceeding next. Okay, so now today we will do exercises C1, that is given on page number 19 in your book, C2, that is given on page number 20 in your book, and the exercise C3, that is given on page number 20 in your book, and if the time permits, I will take the last 2 exercises also. Okay, so let us start. The first exercise. Okay, before starting the chapter, I want to make you understand something. See, you have learned about naming words. You have learned about naming words. Say yes. Naming words. What are naming words? Naming words are the name of people, place, animal, things. So today we are going to start our class with the topic naming words. N-A-M-I-N-G, naming. W-O-R-D-S, words. Naming words. What are naming words? Naming words are the name of people, places, animals, and things. Okay. So let us write 2 examples also. Animals and things. People, places, animal, things. Okay. Let us take the example from the classroom itself. We have to go upon the naming words. Okay. So who am I? Who am I? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am taking the examples also. I am a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Which place is this? ये कौन सा place है? This is a classroom. This is a classroom. Which animal is this? I am showing you which animal is this, which has a long trunk, long ears, 4 legs, and it is very fat. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. And which thing is this? ये कौन सा thing है? This is a pen. This is a pen. P-E-N, pen. So, teacher, classroom, elephant, pen. नेमिंग वर्ड्स को भी मैडम 2 पार्ट्स में बताएगी, ठीक है। So, did you understand what are naming words? Naming words are the name of person, place, animal, thing. Again, naming words are the name of person, place, animal, thing. किसी भी people का मतलब होता है लोग, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, टीचर, ओके, teacher, mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, boy, girl, lady, gents. Okay, these are people or person. Now places. Places is classroom, school, road, market, hospital, cinema hall, then railway station, auto stand, airport. Okay, then Chapa, Janjgir, Delhi, Raipur, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chhattisgarh. These all are places name. Next is animals. Here in animals, it can be an insect, it can be a bird, it can be land animal, as well as it can be a water animal also. And things. Things means anything that has no life. कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसमें लाइफ ना हो, ठीक है। Here you can take sun, moon, stars also. Okay, sun, moon, stars, air, then soil, water, वो सब भी नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं। Okay, now proceeding towards the next topic, I have told you what are naming words. Now I will tell you that naming words also are of 2 kinds. ठीक है? Let me give you example. Then I will show you what I wanted to tell you. Example देके आपको समझाते हैं कि मैम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं. Suppose I have told you who am I. मैंने आपसे पूछा कि मैं कौन हूं. I am a person and I am teacher. Okay, I am a person and I am a teacher. Excuse me. I am a person and I am a teacher. But being a teacher, what's my name? मैं सिर्फ एक टीचर हूँ या फिर स्पेशल मेरा कुछ नाम भी है? Yes, my name is Anupam, and when I write my name Anupam, I write it with capital A, A-N-U-P-A-M, Anupam. That day also I have told you that Manu is a special name. That's why M is capital. इसी तरह से Anupam is also a special name. That's why A is capital. I am a teacher, but I am Anupam. Okay, let us take the example of a place. Okay, where are we? Where am I teaching you now? I am in the school. I am in the school. First I have told you about person. Now I will tell you about place, that how a place becomes. Here I have told you about person. Now I will tell you about place, how place becomes special and how it doesn't become special. कहाँ वो special है और कहाँ वो special नहीं है. Okay, let me tell you in a tabular method. So have you understood the first example? पहले example में आपको बताया कि a teacher is a person, ठीक है? तो teacher is a name, but when I wrote Anupam, it became A-N-U-P-A-M. And I told you that Anupam is a special name. ठीक है? Teacher is common. Teacher is common. That means कि teacher बहुत सारे हैं. But Anupam is one. Anupam is one. So the naming words that are special are called special names. The naming words that are special are called special names. Let me give you the example of a place. Which place is this? This is a school. This is a school. School is the name of a place. But what is the name of the school? School का नाम क्या है? School यहाँ common है मतलब बहुत सारे हैं. But the name by which this school is known. जिस नाम से स्कूल को जानते हैं, that name becomes special. So this is Gurukul. This is Gurukul. So Gurukul becomes the special name. And I have told you that whenever we write any special name, the first letter is always capital. Like in the red raincoat, I have told you that whenever you write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the first letter should be capital. यानी कि जो days of the week होते हैं, वो नाम भी special names होते हैं. Likewise, Anupam is a teacher. So teacher is a common name. Now I am writing the heading over here, common. Common name. C-O-M-M-A-O-N. Common. N-A-M-E. Name. And here I am writing it special name. Special name. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. N-A-M-E. Name. Students, be patient and make it clear in your mind. एकदम आराम से सुनो और दिमाग में से अच्छे से क्लियर कर लो. That's why I am going little slow. बहुत slowly मैम इसीलिए समझा रही है. Okay, let me remind you, let me make you. So here it is naming words. Or do you know naming words are also called nouns. So here these are naming words and we are learning two types of naming words. The first one is common name and the second one is special name. Common name and special name. Common name and special name. Now look here. A person, teacher is a person and Anupam is a teacher. So Anupam becomes special name. School is a place. School एक place है जो common है. But Gurukul is a school. School का नाम Gurukul है. So here Gurukul becomes special. Okay. Now let me give you an example of a thing. Like I have a blue diary in my hand. मेरे हाथ में ये blue diary है. See, this is a diary. So डायरी इज कॉमन. डायरी बहुत सारा हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर कहीं भी अगर इस डायरी का नाम है तो दैट बिकम्स स्पेशल. सो हियर द डायरीज नेम इज मेट्रो. सो इट बिकम्स स्पेशल. व्हाट इज कॉमन? कॉमन क्या है? जो बहुत सारे हैं. डायरी, डायरी, डायरी 1, डायरी 2, डायरी 3. देयर आर मेनी डायरीज. डायरी इज अ कॉमन नेम. अगर डायरी का कोई स्पेशल नेम है तो दैट बिकम्स special. Likewise, let me take the example of this pen. Okay, this pen, if it is visible to you, this is simply a pen. ये एक pen है, but its name is claro. It is claro. So I am taking the example of thing. I am taking the example of thing. T-H-I-N-G, thing. What is this? This is simply a pen. ये एक पेन है. That means commonly इसे एक पेन कहते हैं. But what is special about it? The special is its name. इसका special name क्या है? ये कौन सा पेन है? This is Claro blue pen. This is Claro. Its name is Claro. So first letter is always capital. Claro. So this is what I wanted to tell you that naming words are of two kinds, common names and special names. Suppose यहाँ टीचर की जगह पर आप स्टूडेंट रखो. ओके, यहाँ टीचर की जगह पर आप क्या रखो? स्टूडेंट. एंड यहाँ अनुपम की जगह अपना नाम रख लो. सो स्टूडेंट इज अ कॉमन नेम एंड आपका नाम, सपोज क्लास 1 में अभी कौन गया है? यस, मृदु जांगड़े. ओके, सो मृदु जांगड़े इज अ स्टूडेंट. स्टूडेंट कॉमन है और स्टूडेंट का नाम क्या है? इट इज स्पेशल. मृदु इज स्पेशल नेम. लेट मी टेक another example of, let me write here girl. Let me write here girl. So there are many girls in this class. There are many girls in this class. G-I-R-L, girl. Girl is a person. But what is special? Special is name. Mridu. M-R-I-D-U. Mridu. Okay. And let me take another example of a person and I will write boy here. I will write boy here. B-O-Y. Boy. And in boy's name I will write okay, boy Keshav. K-E-S-H-A-V, Keshav. So girl is a common name. Mridu is a special name. Boy is a common name. Keshav is a special name. Now, in which city do we live? हम कहाँ रहते हैं? हम सिटी में रहते हैं. हम कहाँ रहते हैं? सिटी में रहते हैं. C-I-T-Y, city. But हम कौन से सिटी में रहते हैं? We live in Janjgir. So Janjgir is a special name. J-A-N-J-G-I-R. Janjgir. There is a girl. Girl is a common name. Mridu is a special name. Boy is a common name क्योंकि boy बहुत सारे होते हैं. But कौन सा boy? Keshav. Any city. But which city? Janjgir. So we have two kinds of names, common name and special names. Name of any person, place, animal or thing is called common. But अगर उसी common name का एक specified नाम हो जाता है, then it becomes special. जैसे हम बोलेंगे today is a hot day. Today is a hot day. But which day is today? It is Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever day it is. Okay? Or Thursday. Today is Thursday. So Thursday is a special name. और जब हम सिर्फ day बोलते हैं तो वो common होता है. If I say this is a जब मैं रेनी बोलती हूँ इट बिकम्स स्पेशल. व्हेन आई से ओनली सीजन इट इज कॉमन. व्हेन आई से मंथ it is common, but when I say July, so July is a special name. Likewise father, जैसे कि मैंने मृदु का ही नाम लिया. ओके, मृदु के पापा का नाम क्या है? If I am writing here father, if I am writing here father, father is a person, father. And what is the name of Mridu's father? It is Mr. Satanand. If I am not wrong, his father's name is, her father's name is Mr. Satanand. So Satanand is a special name. That's why I have written S capital here. Okay. Okay. And if again I take father as a common name, what is Keshav's father's name? He is Mr. Sumit. He is Mr. Sumit. Again, I have taken S-U-M-I-T. I have written, but Sumit को मैंने S को capital लिखा है because Sumit is a special name. Now let us take the exercise at page number 19 in your book. Okay? Shall I erase it? I hope that I have made you understand what is a common name and what is a special name. Okay. Now this is this exercise C1 in which you have to fill the blank with a special name only. C1. Fill the blank with the special name only. I am writing here you are a boy. B-O-Y boy or a girl. You are a boy or a girl, but you have special name. But you have special name. आप या बॉय हो या गर्ल हो, लेकिन आपका एक स्पेशल नेम होता है. What is your name? What is your name? Now here there is a question. What is your name? What is your name? And there is a dash. In this dash, although I have written A-N-S-H, Ansh, but you can write your name. So for the time being, I am writing the Ansh. A-N-S-H, Ansh. Now the next line is, do you have, H-A-V-E, have, do you have a pet? क्या आपके पास एक पेट है? Do you have a pet? Do you want one? क्या आपके पास पेट है? या फिर क्या आपको चाहिए? Do you want one? Yes. What is it? Then there is a question. What is it? Please match it with your book. What is it? ये क्या है? So here the answer is cat. I have written it as cat. Cat. अब ये एक cat तो है, ठीक है? You can write here with small c because cat is not a special name. अगर हम किसी ब्लैंक को कॉमन नेम से भर रहे हैं तो वो स्मॉल लेटर से होगा. ओके, सो अंश. द सेकेंड वन इज कैट. व्हाट डज योर फैमिली कॉल इट? आपकी फैमिली इसे किस नाम से बुलाती है? तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इफ देयर इज एनी कॉमन थिंग इट इज विद स्मॉल लेटर, इट स्टार्ट्स विद अ स्मॉल लेटर. लेकिन अगर इसी कैट का नाम होगा तो वो कैपिटल लेटर से होगा. व्हाट डज DOES डज योर फैमिली कॉल इट? आपकी फैमिली इसे क्या कहती है? What does your family call it? या फिर आपकी बिल्ली का नाम क्या है? So every time when there is a name, the first letter is always capital. I have named this cat Sarah, and the spelling is SARAH. Sarah. So here Ansh is a special name. So I have put A as capital, and Sarah is also a special name because this is the name of the cat. ये cat का नाम है. S will be capital. Now what do you call it? अब एक क्वेश्चन है कि आपकी फैमिली इसे क्या कहती है? और ये पहला क्वेश्चन था कि आपकी फैमिली इसे क्या कहती है. अब सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज what do you call it? आपने क्या नाम रखा है? इसका नाम आपने क्या रखा है? कभी कभी होता है ना ऐसा कि एक पर्सन होता है या एक फैमिली मेंबर होता है घर में जिसके एक से ज्यादा नाम होते हैं. ओके ओके, लाइक आई हैव अ नीस. मेरे घर में एक छोटी सी बच्ची है जिसका नाम आद्या है, लेकिन हम उसे ट्विंकल भी कहते हैं और उसे हम मुंचन भी कहते हैं. सो शी हैज 3 नेम्स. Likewise, this cat Sarah has 2 names. The boy is asking to another boy, what does your family call it? आपकी फैमिली वाले इसे क्या कहते हैं? उसने कहा सारा. Now the question is, what do you call it? आप इसे क्या कहते हो? Now the boy says, I call it candy. 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 मैं इसे candy कहता हूँ. Okay, so this was exercise. This was exercise C1. Now the same exercise but in a different manner is C2 and C3. We are going to complete that also. This was C1, in which you have to write the special names, but here one word is not special. This is just a common name. Okay, so I am erasing it. Now I am going towards exercise C2. Add 2 more nouns or special names in each column. This is C2 and it asks you to write add 2 more nouns. N-O-U-N-S nouns. See this word N-O-U-N-S nouns. Nouns का मतलब होता है नेमिंग वर्ड्स. जैसे कैट का नाम सारा भी है और कैंडी भी है ना? वैसे ही नाउन्स का मतलब नेमिंग वर्ड भी होता है. सो हियर नाउन मीन्स नेमिंग वर्ड. नाउन्स और स्पेशल नेम्स. अभी जो कॉलम आने वाला है उसमें आपको कुछ कॉमन नेम्स एंड कुछ स्पेशल नेम्स ऐड करने हैं. Special names in each column. Although this is in the book, but this is your homework of the day. यही आज का होमवर्क है आपका. This is your homework as I am writing here, you should fill your book first. After that, put today's date and write, this is the homework. It should be in your book as well as in your notebook. ये आपकी बुक में भी होना चाहिए और कॉपी में भी होना चाहिए because this is the homework. So the question is, add 2 more nouns or special names in each column. Likewise only you have to write in your notebook. Okay. So there are 2 columns. The first column is of common name and the second column is of special name. The first column is of common name like boy, girl, mother, father, teacher, engineer, doctor. And the second column is special name like my name, your name, school name, city name. Okay. Now, how many words are there? There is boy. B-O-Y, boy. It is given in the book. Boy, girl, cat, dog, pencil, and these are the book printed matter. ये print में दिया हुआ है. Here common is boy and the special name is Ram. R-A-M, Ram. Here common is girl. Common name is girl and the special name is R-I-N-I, Rini. Here the common name is cat but the special name is Kitty. Please pay attention that every special name starts with a capital letter. Here the common name is dog but the special name is Bruno. B-R-U-N-O. Here only we have to write 2 more special names as the question asks us. हमको क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है कि इसी में आपको 2 more common names and special names लिखना है. So I am taking the pencil I have left here. Like I have told you that this is a pen in common. लेकिन इसका नाम क्या है आपको मैम ने बताया था. The name of this pen is Claro. Likewise there is an example pencil and the name of the pencil is Sparkling Pencils. Sparkling Pencils. आपको एक अमेजिंग फैक्ट बताओ. When you write the name of the chapter, The Red Raincoat, this is also special. That's why we write the first letter as capital. जब आप किसी भी चैप्टर का नाम लिखते हो, लेसन का नाम लिखते हो, like what was your first lesson? It was what does little birdie say? तो उस पूरे नाम का हर फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल था. क्यों? क्योंकि चैप्टर का नाम भी स्पेशल होता है. Likewise the red raincoat is also a special name. That's why we have used T-R-N-R as capital there. Likewise we have to add 2 more common names and 2 more special names here. So I have written here shoes. What I have written? Shoes. Shoes means any shoe. Shoes means any shoes. And there are many kind of shoes like Camlin shoes is there. Then what are the other names? Camlin. What are the other names? Bata is there. Then Relaxo is there. Okay, there are many brands. So I am writing here Tata shoes. Okay, I have just taken a random name Tata shoes. You can also write You can also write Bata shoes, Relaxo. Okay. Pens. The second thing that I have taken is pen. P-E-N-S, pens. And here I have taken, as it is written, sparkling pencils, Tata shoes, and I have taken cello pens. C-E-L-L-O, cello, P-E-N-S, pens. As I have told you that this is the book work, but this is today's homework also. So what is your homework? This C2 is your homework. It should be in your book as well as in your notebook. Okay. Now let us move towards the last exercise of the day. There are simply 4 to 5 sentences. So I am erasing it. See class 1, today also it seems that your class is longer than the other subjects. If it is so, please excuse me because I need to make it longer. मुझे लंबी क्लासेस बनानी पड़ रही है because your course is little lengthy. So I am erasing it. This was your homework. Please note it down. I will not be able to tell you again. The C2 exercise of your book, the red raincoat. Okay. As it is on page number 19, on page number 20 in your book. So this is your homework of the day. Now I am erasing it. Now come to the next exercise. The next exercise is C3 on page number 20. It is saying that underline. Do you know what is underline? Underline का मतलब होता है if suppose कोई word लिखा है जैसे कि boy लिखा है. Okay. और if it is girl, if it is school, if it is watch, तो ये word को जो है हमको underline करना है, मतलब उसके नीचे line draw करना है, like this. This is called underlining. Okay, and here आगे क्या दिया हुआ है? And encircle. And circle the special name. तो मतलब अगर आपको किसी word पे जब आप circle करते हो, that is called circling. And when you draw a line just below the word, it is called underlining. Okay. So the question is underline the common names. मैम ने आपको बताया है there are 2 kinds of names. The first is common name, boy, girl, and the second is special name, Keshav, Mridu. Okay. So underline the common names. जो common है उसको underline कीजिए. And circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle the special names. Now the 5 sentences are, first let me write the sentences, then I will explain you. Manu has a raincoat. मनु के पास एक रेनकोट है. Every sentence stops with a full stop. Okay. Number 2. There was just one. There was just one white cloud in the sky. So let me explain these two to you. Manu is a boy and Manu is a special name. So Manu is a special name, so encircle the word Manu. And raincoat is a common name, so underline raincoat. Next, a common name and again sky is a common name. Number 3. Number 3 is it rained on Saturday. It rained on Saturday. मैडम ने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था फर्स्ट या सेकंड क्लास में that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday all are special names. It rained on Saturday. Okay. Class 1, do one thing. Okay. So it rained on Saturday. Saturday is a special name. Saturday is a special name. Number 4. Number 4 is Manu. Manu sang. Manu ने गाया. A rain song. A rain song. मनु ने एक rain song गाया, बारिश का गाना गाया. Okay, I am also going to present a rain song in my next part. Okay, so Manu is a special name and rain song is a common name. अगर उस rain song के words हमारे पास यहाँ होते तो वो special होता. Okay, so 2 rain songs I have. 2 rain poems actually. I have here the first one. What was the first rain song that I showed you on the data board? What was the first rain song? Or we can say the rain poem. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. So rain song is a common name, but I hear thunder is a special name. In the next class, I showed you what? Rain, rain, go away. So rain song is a common name, but rain, rain, go away is a special name. Now the 5th one. He forgot. मैम ने उसको क्या बताया था? Forget का मतलब होता है भूल जाना. Likewise, forgot means भूल गया. Forgot his raincoat. वह अपना raincoat भूल गया. So here raincoat is a common name. So here we have ended exercise up to C3. Okay, only 2 or 3 exercises are left in this chapter. Then we will complete this chapter and we will move towards the new chapter. Okay, towards chapter number 3. I hope you are getting by and by. It is, I know class 1 that this is a little tough for you. Okay, then also we will make it up. Okay, so what was your homework of the day? The homework is the exercise C2 from your book. Okay, common name and special name. You have to make the column and you have to write all the common names that is given in the book, and you have to write all the special names just beside it which is given in the book, and below it, beneath it, you have to write 2 common names and 2 special names that I have given you today. Okay, so that's all for today. Class 1, have a nice day. Be healthy. Keep smiling. Okay, bye-bye.